Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix WASD and escape key not working in RuneScape game. So without wasting the time, let's follow the steps. Steps to fix WASD and escape key not working in RuneScape game. So step 1 is to launch RuneScape and join a world, and then open friends chat or clans chat. Now turn off always on mode, the refresh icon. You can see this refresh icon. Just turn off the always mode on. You can see current setting is off. If in your case it is on, then turn it off. And after that, all of your key binds will start working again. For example, WASD, escape keys, etc. So I hope by following this fix, you can easily solve WASD and escape key not working in RuneScape game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.